So people will buy more of the products of China. When they want to buy Chinese product, they want to pay in Chinese yuan. So they will demand more Chinese yuan. So this is how you think about that. So are we clear about these equilibrium? Because this is a case of both supply and demand shift. Both. So normally only one curve is shift, so it's easy. Other is movement. And for example, if demand is shift, then supply is movement. But here both are in shift. How? I just explained you. Okay, let's move forward now. Relative income level. What do we mean by relative income level? So like differential income level. If increase in US income, which income? Relative income, which means people in US have more income as compared to UK. Do we have UK example? Yes, UK example here. UK. So increase in US income level leads to increased demand for foreign goods. Again, when people have more money in US, they can afford more imported products from UK. So they demand for foreign currency. All right. So what happens when the demand for foreign currency? Demand, if this is a foreign currency pound, so what happened? Demand for foreign currency rises. Relative to dollar and increase in exchange rate for foreign currency. So what happened to the supply of the pound? Who supply? UK. So if people have more money in US, they are buying more of the UK products. So do we have any supply? No changes, no, because this is the income level increase, not the inflation increase. In case of inflation, we have supply and demand both shift, but here in income level, only demand is shift and we experience movement on the supply of foreign currency here. So only demand is shifted, supply is not shifted. So this is a small difference here. Oliver, TD, understand? Tiffany, Thoramina?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But the overall
Yes.
impacted exchange rate of pound increases. So when we have inflation, again, foreign currency rises. When we have high differential income, foreign currency value rise. But when we have high interest rates, foreign currency will depreciate. So let me write it down here. Interest, higher interest, foreign currency. Higher interest, foreign currency decrease, which means home currency, if you are here. Home currency appreciate, foreign currency depreciate. So if we have income, relative income is high. So what happened here? If you are here, US, if you are US citizen, US dollar will depreciate, but foreign currency pound increase. If we have inflation, foreign currency will increase and home currency will depreciate. So this is just a note. You can write it down on your notes. If relative interest increase in home, let me also write it down, home. Simple, wherever interest rate is high, that country's currency gonna appreciate. If home income rise, what happened? Home currency depreciate, foreign currency appreciate. If inflation in home, and home is right now US, that's why I just marked this example, this symbol here. If home inflation rises, foreign currency rises, home currency depreciated. Rises mean appreciate. I should use now proper word, appreciate. Guys, you understand? Easy? If you understand this, please answer this practical example here. So those who are watching online, please pause the video and read it by yourself. I'm also reading for you. So a large increase in income level in Mexico. So remember, increase in income level in Mexico, along with no growth in the US income level, is normally expected to cause, assuming no change in interest rate and other factors, which means we are changing only one factor. All factors are not changing simultaneously, but just changing income level. So this is cash in Mexican demand for US goods and Mexican peso should depreciate or appreciate. Simple. No need to tell me. So I'm pausing the video here and we will be discussing the answer after resuming that. So those who are watching online, please pause the video here. Okay, so we just discussed the solution here. So I hope those who are watching online, they have chosen the correct answer B. Why? Because we just talk about that whichever currency experience high income, its currency will go down. So answer from B or C going to be right because there is depreciate, but demand for US product will be high for the Mexicans. Why? Because Mexican will buy more from US because they have more money, they can afford more foreign products or imported products. So B is the right answer. Here we go. So now the fourth one, number one was inflation, interest rate, and then income level, and number four is expectation. Not number four is government control here. We will be talking about separately government control, on the slide. So I'm just going to read it here. Imposing foreign exchange barriers, then maybe exchange rate is different. Imposing foreign trade barriers, then we have different exchange rate. Intervening in foreign exchange markets. If dollar is rising, then maybe the government intervene and try to control the rise of the dollar. Affecting macroeconomic variables, inflation, interest rate, and income levels. If government want to control its currency from depreciating, they decrease the inflation in their country. If they want to increase their home currency, they increase the interest rate. If they want to increase the currency, they will decrease the level of income in the country. That's the opposite. So that they cannot afford foreign products, so that their own products look cheaper to outside world and outside people will buy more products. Okay, now the fifth one is expectations. Expectations, which means you are on point zero, you are here, and expectations are here. Based on future, you decide right now at point zero. You decide on point zero. So based on future, decide right now is the expectation solution here. So if investors expect interest rates in one country to rise, so does this mean that the interest rate going to be rise right now? No, in future. They may invest in a country leading to a rise in demand for foreign currency. So how we are going to apply this, for example, US and China. So if investors, right now you are here in US, if you expect that interest rates are going to high in which interest rate? Relative interest rate, remember that one. In China, interest rate is expected to high, and let me write down expected to high. So right now at point zero, here, this is future expectation. Right now you are here, you will take your money, convert it into yuan, and invest in Chinese banks or Chinese bond securities or debentures whatsoever. Now, what will happen? They may invest in the country, leading to rise